Hola chicos, welcome to this Spanish lesson. Today we're going to learn how to use the verb estar, to be. Estar is one of the two Spanish verbs that can be translated as to be. The other one is ser. However, they are used in different contexts. In this video, we will talk about estar. Let's conjugate it in the present tense. I am, yo estoy, you are, tú estás, he, she is, you formal are, él, ella, usted está, we are, nosotros, nosotras estamos, you all are, vosotros, vosotras estáis, this one is used in Spain, they are, you all are, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Notice that we must add an accent on the A in all of the forms except on the I and we form. Excellent. Now that you know how to conjugate estar, it's time to find out when to use it. We use estar in the following situations: to describe temporary conditions or states, for example, estoy enfermo, I am sick, la puerta está cerrada, the door is closed. To express emotions or feelings, estamos felices, we are happy, estás triste, are you sad? To indicate location, los libros están en la mochila, the books are in the backpack, estoy en la escuela, I'm at the school. Finally, estar is also used as an auxiliary verb to form the present progressive tense. Estáis estudiando, you all are studying, estoy hablando español, I am speaking Spanish. Here are the conjugations of the verb estar and when to use it. This is all you need to know. Remember, if you're describing more permanent characteristics or essential qualities, you will use the verb ser instead. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego.
Practice will make you master Spanish. You will find some practice worksheets in the description of the video. Adios.